Nailevition. Today I'm going to show you how to do this marble stone design with these foils. These are the realistic marble stone foils that I got from overseas, but you can find them on AliExpress and eBay very easily. Now let's begin. Okay, so with the marble designs, I've got these two new foils. There are many other designs of the foils as well. These are the ones like marble stones. Okay, so you can see these ones are already printed like marble stones. You just need to stick them on the nail and make a few white marble and you're done. These ones can be pre-ordered at Infinity Nail and Beauty Supply. I'll pop a link under the descriptions. You can have a look. Okay, so first we need to apply some foil gels. I like these New Revolution Magic Foil Gels. It is really good to stick on foils, even with the whole nail design. So apply a thin layer. And cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so after it's been cured, you can use your foils. These are one of my old ones. I don't want to waste it. So you can choose where you want the designs to be. And hold it like this. Hold it in your palm and put your finger on the place you want the designs to be. And press it. Okay, as you can see, nearly the entire nail is sticked. With a little bit imperfection, you can just keep going. Okay, now nearly all the nail has been applied with foil. Now I'm going to need a silicone palette and some white gel polish. I'll put some on my palette. I'm also going to need some clear structure gels or mixing gels. If you don't have this, you can use some base coat, not top coat. You need base coat. Okay, first I'm applying a thin layer of structure gel onto the entire nail, not too thick. Now I'm using a round brush. Wet my brush first. Grab some of my white polish on one side of my brush, and I'm going to apply it on this direction, so over here. Just like this. Now I'm applying a little bit more on the other side. Now let's wait for it to spread out. At this time, you can clean your brush, apply a bit more of the clear gel, help it to spread out. So put the white at the place your foil didn't stick 100% perfectly. Okay, now you can see the white gel polish is spreading out pretty cloudy kind of look. It's okay to have some of the stroke kind of look, make it look more natural. Okay, so if you're happy with this, you can cure this. Okay, after it's been cured, I'm going to use a angular brush. Get some white, blend it a little bit. Make some lines. After you have done the lines, get some clear gel, blend in the lines into the background. Okay, if you're happy with it, get the liner brush. And make some very fine lines. Okay, if you're happy with it, now you can cure that. Okay, after it has been cured, I like to apply a clear aura foil onto the nail, not on the entire nail, just briefly. You maybe can't see it properly on this nail, but you can see it after you apply the top coat. I'm going to use New Revolution Super Top. It's a non-wipe. So after I have been applied the top coat, you can see there is the aura kind of light reflecting in the nail. So make the marble looks more realistic. And this is a very easy marble design that you can use in the salon. Okay, now I want to show you how to make a half design. I'm using a different color marble stone foils. So I'm going to apply it just on half of the nail. And now I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to need my palette and my clear, my white, thin layer of clear gel. You can use structure gel or base gel or mixing gel. Round brush, a bit white, and apply on the edge. It does not have to be perfect. Make it more realistic. Okay. Clean the brush. Clear gel. Blend in the colors. Going to add in a little bit just over here. Now let's wait for it to spread out. Okay, now it's been spread out and you're happy with the design, you can cure that. You can do the same, add in some lines. If your lines are too wide, it's okay. Just use an angular brush, grab on some clear gel and blend in. Okay, now you have your very realistic marble nails and you're happy with the lines, you can cure that. Okay, after it's been cured, you can do the same, apply the aura foils. Okay, and then you can apply top coat and you're done. Simple and easy. Okay, here is today's marble design. It's quick and simple. So these are the ones I have done previously. Here are some other pink ones. I have added in some gold foils into the design to make it look more luxury. And here are some other green ones I have done with the same foil. So it's a very easy and simple design to do, and do it quickly, suitable for the salon speed. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe. And make sure you join our Facebook group, Nailevition support group. In there you can ask questions and show off your homeworks and communicate with the other nail techs. I'll see you at my next videos.